So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study about types of a function based on the mapping. So basically what is the mapping? So mapping means how the elements of a domain is making the image in a codomain. So if you take the mapping, that is f from x to y is a mapping. Set of all elements are like this. This is x set and this is y. Y is equal to f of x. This is an operation. If we give the input as x, after the operation it will give the output as y. So if you take the elements, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here if you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this set of all elements we will call it as domain, means this is the input value and these are codomains. So if we give the input value, if you give x is equal to 1, if I define f of x is equal to 2x is a function, then 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So 1 map over to 2. If you give 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 2 to 4. 3 to 3 into 2 is 6. 4 into 2 is 8. So this way we will call it as a mapping. And here the elements which are included in a mapping is called as ranges. So here the elements 2, 4, 6, 8 are all set of all ranges. And codomain means set of all elements here. That is 0 to 8. These are our codomain. Also, this set of all elements we will call it as images. Sorry, this is pre-image and this is images. This set of all elements we will call it as images and this we will call it as pre-images. We have many types of function. In that I am going to cover one function, many function and onto function in detail. So first of all, what is a one function? So one function means every element in a domain has one and only one image in a codomain. So if you take the mapping, f from x to y is a mapping. If I define f of x is equal to 2x is a function, so then this mapping is called as one function. Because if you see the definition, every element in a domain, here every element in a domain is involved in a mapping. So every element in a domain has one and only one image in a codomain. So it doesn't matter how many elements are involved in a codomain, but it is important that every elements of a domain should be involved in a mapping. Here if phi is there and phi is not involved in a mapping, then it is not a one function. So the symbol for one function is like this: 1 to 1 function, 1 to 1 function. And this one function is also called as injective function. And this mapping is called as one function. So the next type of function is many to one function. So the symbol for this many to one function is like this: many to one function. So if you take the mapping f from x to y, where the function is defined like f of x is equal to x square, then if you put x value as -2, then y value becomes -2 the whole square is +4. So the mapping is like this. If you put -1 square is +1. If you put 0, 0 square is 0. So 1 square is 1. 2 square will become 4. So if you see this mapping, then two elements in a domain is map over to the single elements in a codomain. So this is called as many to one function. And here also the condition is every element in a domain should be involved in a mapping, and also two or more elements in a domain can be involved in a mapping. So the next type of function is onto function. So onto function means every element of y is the image of some element of x. Is nothing but codomain should be equal to the range. If you take the mapping f from x to y, where the function is defined to be f of x is equal to 2x, then the mapping is, if you put 1, then 2, 1 to 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is 8. So if the mapping is like this, then it is a onto function. Why? Because as per the definition, every element of y is a image of some element of x. Here the condition is every element of y should be involved in the mapping. In one function, every element of x should be involved in the mapping, but in the onto mapping, it is simple that every element of y should be involved in the mapping. And one more condition is this mapping should be either in one pattern or in many to one pattern. It should not be in one to many pattern. Anyhow, one to many pattern is not there in the mapping, but anyhow, it should be either in one to one pattern or should be in many to one pattern. So this is a onto mapping. If 9 is there, it is not involved in a mapping, so it is not a onto function. So if you take the mapping f from x to y, where the function is defined to be f of x is equal to x square, then the mapping is like this: minus 2 square is plus 4, plus 2 square is plus 4, and minus 1 to plus 1, plus 1 to plus 1, 0 to 0. So the mapping is like this. This is a onto function. Why? Because every element of y are included in a mapping. So if you take 3 here, then also it is a onto function. It is in many to one pattern. So keep in mind, this is in many to one pattern, but this is not a many to one function. Why? Because every element of x or every element of domain are not involved in the mapping. So this is an onto function, but not a many to one function. So the bijective function, a function which is both one and onto, or both injective and surjective function, then it is a bijective function. Here are some questions. We'll check whether these problems are one, many one, or onto function. So first question, here every elements are included in a mapping. So, and it has one and exactly one images. Therefore, this is a one function. So, this is not a many one function. Then onto function. Here, codomain is not equal to range. Therefore, this is not a onto function. So, in the second question, here every elements in the domain are involved in the mapping. So this is a one function and it has exactly one images. So not many one function. Then onto function. Here codomain is equal to range. Therefore this is a onto function. So in the third question, so here two elements in the domain map over to the single element in a codomain. Therefore this is many to one function, not one function. So onto function, here codomain is not equal to the range. Therefore this is not a onto function. So in the fourth question, so this is many to one function, not one function, and it is also onto function because codomain is equal to the range or every elements in the codomain are included in a mapping. So this is a onto function. So here this is not a one-one function. Why? Because here every elements are not included in a mapping. So this is not a one-one function, not even many-to-one function also. So this is onto function. Why? Because codomain is equal to the range. So here in this mapping is in one to many pattern. So this type of mapping doesn't exist. Therefore this is not one-one function, not one-to function, not many-one function. Here in codomain every elements are included in a mapping, but since it is in one to many pattern, this is not a onto function. So here in this problem, this is in one to many pattern. Therefore this is not one-one function, not onto function, not many-one function. So the last problem, so this is not a one-one function and this is not a many-to-one function. Why? Because every elements in the domain are not included in a mapping. So this is not a many-to-one function, but this is a onto function.